Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the gear, charge the headphones to at least 50% and keep them powered. Open the Bose app. Once the app detects your model, tap on the device card to start. You must grant location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can communicate. The app checks firmware automatically. If an update appears, press Update Now. This initial step sets the connection so the download and transfer can start without interruption. Once the app downloads the firmware, it prepares to transfer to your headphones. You'll see a progress bar. Keep the app open and your phone within about 3 to 10 meters. If stability matters, plug the headphones into a computer via USB when prompted. That prevents Bluetooth dropouts. The device may reboot multiple times during transfer. This is normal. Wait until the app confirms completion before interacting with the headphones, because interrupting transfer can corrupt firmware. After transfer finishes, the headphones will finalize and often reboot. Make sure the app reports the new firmware version. Once done, test audio and controls to verify functionality. If the update fails, first restart phone and headphones, then retry in a low interference area. Turn off nearby Bluetooth devices. If problems persist, switch to a USB update path or try the desktop updater. This ensures a stable connection. Finally, contact Bose support only if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.